Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of coffee. There's a world beyond the humble coffee bean, a world rich in flavor, aroma, and unexpected health benefits. Welcome, coffee aficionados, to a journey through the incredible world of coffee, more than just your favorite morning ritual. Today, we're about to delve into the depths of this delightful brew, exploring the potential health wonders that coffee brings to the table. From enhancing cognitive function to boosting physical performance, supporting heart health, and beyond. So grab your favorite mug, because we're about to unlock the secrets that make your beloved cup of joe so much more than a beverage. It's a symphony of well-being. Let's brew up some knowledge and sip on the science behind your daily cup of goodness. First and foremost, coffee is a significant source of antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid. Antioxidants help combat free radicals in the body and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. What's more, for many, coffee is more than a morning pick-me-up. It's a daily ritual that jumpstarts the mind and fuels productivity. Caffeine, a natural stimulant found in coffee, is rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream and travels to the brain. Once there, it blocks adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and sleepiness. By doing so, caffeine increases alertness and enhances focus. Caffeine can boost concentration by increasing the release of neurotransmitters such as norepinephrine and dopamine. These chemicals play a crucial role in attention and focus, helping you stay alert and engaged in your tasks. Studies suggest that caffeine may improve short-term memory and information retention. It may enhance memory consolidation, the process of converting short-term memories into long-term memories. Caffeine can enhance mood by increasing the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and endorphins, which contribute to feelings of happiness and well-being. It can also reduce the perception of effort during mental tasks, potentially reducing stress levels. Moreover, whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply love to stay active, coffee can be a valuable tool to enhance your physical performance. Caffeine, a natural stimulant found in coffee, is absorbed into the bloodstream and travels to the muscles. It enhances the release of adrenaline, providing a surge of energy that can improve physical performance during workouts and exercise. Caffeine can help spare glycogen, the body's primary source of energy during prolonged exercise. By doing so, it encourages the body to use fat stores for energy, ultimately enhancing endurance and delaying the onset of muscle fatigue. The stimulating effects of caffeine can enhance focus and concentration during physical activity, allowing you to stay attentive to your performance and form, potentially improving your overall workout quality. Caffeine can lower the perception of effort during exercise, making a workout feel easier than it would without caffeine. This can lead to improved performance and motivation to push further. Some studies suggest that consuming caffeine post-exercise can aid in glycogen replenishment and muscle recovery. It may also reduce muscle soreness, allowing for quicker recovery between workouts. Caffeine can stimulate thermogenesis, a process where the body generates heat and energy from digesting food. This can potentially lead to an increase in metabolic rate and energy expenditure. Caffeine in coffee can aid in the breakdown of body fat by increasing the release of fatty acids into the bloodstream. These fatty acids are then available for use as energy, promoting fat oxidation. Caffeine may act as a mild appetite suppressant, helping to control hunger and reduce overall caloric intake, especially when consumed before meals. Some studies suggest that caffeine can temporarily increase the resting metabolic rate, potentially aiding in weight management by promoting more calories burned at rest. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. A cup of coffee might be just what your heart desires. Beyond its delightful taste and invigorating aroma, coffee offers potential benefits for heart health. Moderate coffee consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of certain cardiovascular conditions, including stroke and coronary heart disease. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in coffee may play a role in this protective effect. Studies suggest that regular moderate coffee consumption may be associated with a lower risk of heart failure. Caffeine in coffee may have a protective effect on the heart and improve cardiac function. The antioxidants in coffee may help keep arteries healthy and flexible, potentially reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition where arteries become narrowed due to the buildup of plaque. Additionally, caffeine in coffee can stimulate the muscles in your digestive system, promoting movement and peristalsis. This stimulation may help in regular bowel movements and alleviate symptoms of constipation. Coffee can promote gastric emptying, allowing food to move more quickly from the stomach to the small intestine. This may be particularly beneficial for those who experience sluggish digestion. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid. Antioxidants can help combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the digestive tract, potentially contributing to a healthier gut. Did you know, beyond its delightful taste and energy-boosting properties, coffee has the power to elevate mood and enhance overall well-being? Caffeine is a natural stimulant that can enhance concentration and focus. Feeling more alert often translates to an improved mood and productivity. Caffeine can influence the levels of neurotransmitters, such as dopamine, serotonin, and noradrenaline. These neurotransmitters play a crucial role in mood regulation, contributing to a sense of happiness and well-being. Drinking coffee in moderation may help reduce stress levels. Some studies suggest that caffeine can potentially decrease the perception of stress, promoting a more relaxed and positive mood. The act of enjoying a cup of coffee, whether alone or with friends, can be a comforting and enjoyable experience that adds a positive aspect to your day. Lastly, coffee, a popular beverage enjoyed by millions worldwide, offers various potential health benefits. However, it's important to consume it in moderation and consider individual tolerance levels. It's important to note that while coffee offers potential health benefits, excessive consumption, or adding high-calorie sweeteners and creamers can negate these benefits. Additionally, individual responses to coffee can vary, and some individuals may experience negative effects such as insomnia, increased heart rate, or digestive issues. Balance coffee consumption with adequate water intake throughout the day. Coffee has a diuretic effect, potentially causing mild dehydration, so ensure you're staying hydrated to maintain overall well-being. By being mindful of these points, you can derive the most enjoyment and potential health benefits from your coffee consumption while keeping your well-being in focus. And there you have it, folks. The aromatic journey through the incredible world of coffee and its vast array of health benefits. So grab your favorite mug, brew that perfect cup, and embrace the delightful fusion of taste and wellness that coffee offers. Here's to your health, happiness, and the joy that a good cup of coffee brings to your day. Stay energized and see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.